Disney tickets on sale here. But judging by the looks of the place, I don't think any tickets have been sold here lately. Storefront has an open sign. As you can see, the neon is not illuminated. Oh, there you go. Sorry. Temporarily closed. Tickets, tickets, tickets. Oh, I even see some Busch Gardens tickets. Here, Mr. Pumpkin. Have a pumpkin cream cold brew. That's the least I could do after breaking your stem off. Sorry about that. I still feel so bad about this. Well, if you ain't gonna drink it, it's all mine then. Hi everyone, cheers. Welcome back to the channel. I am Tampa J. Beginning in Kissimmee, Florida. We're headed over to Walt Disney World property. I have a reservation to Disney's Animal Kingdom. Wasn't my plan, my original plan. I was going to do something else, but I had a late night. I slept in at the hotel. I was really tired, and the original thing I wanted to do was far. So I'll have to save that for another time, but I had a reservation to Animal Kingdom, and while in Kissimmee, you gotta go to Disney, right? Plus, I wanted to hang out with you on this beautiful day at that beautiful park. So let's start this video, head on down to Walt Disney World's Animal Kingdom. There's much ahead, my friends. There is so much ahead. Okay, now we can start the video. Approaching the kingdom. And here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the entryway of Disney's Animal Kingdom. Good to know, Rainforest Cafe is now serving lunch. Please join us inside. And right next to the entryway, it kind of hides over there. You almost wouldn't know if it's there if you didn't just walk beyond those trees and look up at the sign. Also easy to miss, the Rainforest Cafe waterfall that sits to the right of the entryway just before. Annual pass holder entrance only. Don't mind if I do. Oh yeah, green is good. And there she is, the Tree of Life. Such a wonderful sight. That thing amazes me every time I look at it. The Tree of Life honors the animals and the place they share this life together, the circle of life. It is 145 feet tall, and over 300 animals are carved in its trunk. It is such a beautiful day here at Animal Kingdom. I have stopped to smell the flowers. Halfway between the Tree of Life and Asia is the Smiling Crocodile, still not open. No word on when it will be reopening. The sign here suggests that you can also visit Isla of Java for snacks, or the Flame Tree Barbecue for mouth-watering barbecue entree. No smiling crocodile, it's more like a frowning crocodile, but we won't say that. He looks happy. Good gosh, it's Goofy! Oh man! I got here just in time. They're passing underneath the Asia Bridge. I'm heading to Asia myself. I caught him on the mountainside. Look at that. Expedition Everest time. Did I mention how beautiful this park is, especially this portion of it? I mean, look how real that mountain looks. And that ride's fantastic. But we must beware of the Yeti. A 40-minute wait time for Expedition Everest, but I'm doing it. I don't like long lines, but I'm here. Might as well do it, see? Here's the start of the line right here. I'm gonna hop in. Fast forward though. I won't make you wait with me. You know, the queue line said it was gonna be 40 minutes, but in reality, it only took me 15 minutes to get to row number 17. I'm in the last row. I'm in the need for Yeti. Oh yes. It's been a while since I've been on the very back. A lot more people on it this time. The last time I was here, it was just me. Whoa. Look at that sunburst. Oh, I love the view up here too. Oh, look at that view. That's where we started, right over there. You can see the Tree of Life. I think there's something gonna happen. Oh, much behind! Whoa! Woo! Oh yeah, this one. Oh my God! Oh man, the back is so much better on that part. Oh gosh. Oh no, it's the Yeti. Oh man, the back is so much better because you get it all the way through here. Oh no, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh no, here we go. That took forever. I don't know what's going on. I am now a huge fan of the last row of Expedition Everest. That first drop, when you go backwards, all the weight went through my tummy. It felt awesome. I like the thrill rides. That was a thrill. Oh, check it out. Looks like someone's monkeying around up there. This way to Cold Drink. Perhaps one of the coolest places to grab a drink in all of Walt Disney World. Drinkwalla, especially if you like the CocaCola. We could have the adult beverage version of the frozen Coke for 11 bucks. And also you could just have regular frozen Coke. I think I'm just going to do a regular frozen Coke. When I was a kid, I loved collecting vintage Coke products. I actually had a small collection. Always cool to see Coca-Cola products. It catches my eye. No offense to those people who like Pepsi. Found a great spot for a Coke and a smile. Oh man, that's so good. But you gotta drink it fast because it's Florida, it's melting. Looks like another eatery that's still closed. Caravan Road is not serving at this time. Please visit Mr. Kamal's or Harambe Market. Welcome to the Harambe Market. Enjoy sausages, grilled item ribs, and such beverages. You are entering a Swahili English speaking zone. It's good to be back in Africa. I am hungry, so I'm gonna be walking around the market. Hopefully making a selection. Nothing's really open over there though. Those are just picnic tables. Wanjohi, or Wanjohi, please correct me if I'm wrong, but that's not open. And the same for Kitamu. I'm pretty sure I pronounced that right. I liked how I pronounced it actually, Kitamu. And the same story for Chef Mwenga's. The meat shop is not open either. What's open in Harambe Market? Yue na siku jima. Have a fine day. I hope my Swahili was good. I hope that sounded right. It seems as if the Harambe Fruit Market is the only place selling hot food in Harambe. Looks like they're selling the all-beef hot dog, the traditional hot dog. Or a Hoosier hot dog. How about a corn on the cob? I've never had one of those at Disney before. Hot off the grill, hot dog. I know what you're thinking, that's not a hot dog. To be accurate, they are serving hot food in Africa at the Tusker House restaurant. And also the Dawa Bar is serving beer, wine, and specialty cocktails. Okay, I gotta find a spot to eat my corn on the cob. Not even inside of Pandora officially. And there's the end of the line for Flight of Passage. Still gonna eat this thing. Perhaps I'll eat my corn on the cob in front of these floating mountains. I'm finally gonna eat it underneath the floating mountains of Pandora. And it's okay. It's actually pretty tasty. I wonder if anyone's ever eaten a corn on the cob in Pandora before. I live for awkward moments. All joking aside though, it was actually pretty tasty. One of the best $5 I've ever spent at Walt Disney World. Finally got rid of that thing. A 75-minute wait for the Navi River. I don't know if I want to do that. And not much difference for Flight of Passage, an 80-minute wait. And I just got word that Navi River just broke down. Glad I didn't get in line. It was too crowded in Pandora, so I decided to come over to Dinoland, USA. And the Boneyard Fossil Fun site continues to be closed. No speculation on when it's going to open back up because of the situation, of course. It might be some time. I never thought I'd see the day where the children can't play. That breaks my heart. But don't get too down on yourself, kiddos. Triceratops spin. That's open. Only a 10-minute wait. Looks like I found a different type of dino today. All aboard. All buckled up now. Ready to go. Hold on tight. Our dino is taking flight. Age is most definitely in your heart. Always good to be a kid here at Walt Disney World. Good to be a kid again. Going down, going up. Here we go. That's always fun. Look at them arms. Oh, we're all going down now.
Our little dinosaurs are landing.
They're landing. Oh boy, that was fun. Oh. And we're good. Primeval World still stands closed. Nothing going on these tracks in quite some time now. I'm a blessed man hanging out with you guys at Animal Kingdom. Man, what a great day. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Central America, an American crocodile. Now to me, the American crocodile seems a lot longer and skinnier. Or maybe just skinnier than most crocodiles I've seen. Looks like he's resting up there. That water must feel good. It says here that males are capable of growing up to 20 feet, living in both freshwater and brackish coastal areas. That means it could live in Tampa Bay. I think he's taking a nap there. We'll leave him be. Have fun, buddy. Good to see you today. Had a nice visits to all the regions in Animal Kingdom today, especially Dinoland, USA. Looks like Timon and Rafiki are now leading the boat parade. Well, it's more of a one-boat parade. All right, yay! Good to see you guys. See you next time. Into the jungles of AK. Can't get over how every single corner of this park is absolutely beautiful. Such a beautiful day to be here. Glad we could spend time together. Hanging out with you, it's my absolute favorite thing to do. Ladies and gentlemen, another fun weekend in the books for me. Thanks again for joining me. If you like the video, do me a favor, give it one of these. Right there, down there actually, or there, I can't remember. But it's down there somewhere on my YouTube page. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Hope you had a wild adventure, and I hope you all had a wild time. Someone else wanted to say goodbye to you guys as well. Still feel bad about that. All right, say goodbye. We got a long trip ahead of us. Gotta get back to Tampa. All right guys, see you next time. I'm hitting the road, headed back to Tampa. There's much ahead, meaning there's gonna be another video. And I hope to see you all there. But for now, gotta buckle up. Go home. Bye guys, love you. See you later.